Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to Omnigen AI. In order to do so, first off, you're actually going to be going to Fall AI, and that's FAL.ai, and once you're there you will be met with the screen similar to this. You're going to go ahead and up at the top right hand corner you can click on Login. And from here, you'll see that you're going to be given the option to either continue with GitHub or continue with SSO. If you haven't signed up for an account yet, then you can click here where it says sign up. And that is going to redirect you to sign up with GitHub. If you have not yet created a username with GitHub, then you are going to need to do that. So here at the bottom, you'll see that it says create an account with GitHub. I already have that tab open, and so we're going to go here, and you can see up at the top right hand corner that you have the option to sign up. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can begin to enter in your information. I have already signed up with GitHub, so I'm going to go ahead and head back here to the sign in screen, and I have my information there. We're going to go ahead and click sign in. And it's going to redirect us, and then from there we are now on the FAL dashboard. Now I have already opened up the Omnigen app here recently, so we can go ahead and click on that. And what you're looking for here is if you just kind of push your mouse around, you'll see that you'll get the hand pointer there at the top. So if you go and try to click down here, you're not going to see anything, but if you just click here, then that will open up for you. And now we are in Omnigen. From here, you can enter in a prompt, and we already have here a prompt that is waiting for us. We're going to go ahead and we're going to test that one out. And what you're going to want to do is just hit run here at the bottom. And that will begin to work. We'll just let that take a moment. And once that's done working, you will see the result here. So we have a pretty cool looking city scene, and we even have the lettering here that says Omni, just as it states in the prompt. Again, as with most generators, sometimes you might get results that you're not looking for, and so just be aware of that and be prepared for the fact that Omnigen does use credits. Up at the top right hand corner you can see here that it will give you $1 worth of credits to start with, and each generation costs 20 cents. If you want to add credits, you can hit the plus sign there and you can go through the process to do so. But that gives you an idea of how Omnigen works. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.